You'll need a base for the card, cardboard, colored hearts, scissors, and thick double-sided tape. I have this tape in squares, and I'm cutting it into even smaller pieces. This tape will help us make the hearts 3D. I'm connecting the tape together to create different thicknesses. And by the way, we're drawing the shape of a can on the card. Any shape will do. I got mine from the internet. This is how the tape of different thicknesses turns out. And we begin to paste alternating colors. The hearts are made at different heights, thereby creating a three-dimensional effect. Stylish and unusual. I would really like this Valentine. I'm waiting for your like too. You will need colored paper, a pencil, scissors, a card base, regular glue, and hot glue. First, we're going to make the hearts. And to make several templates at once, I usually divide a part of the sheet into 3 equal squares. We draw a spiral with a pencil on the top part and cut it out. As I mentioned, we ended up with 3 templates. Let's start rolling the rose. Just roll it into a tube from the edge and move towards the center. We let go of the ends and it turns into a rose. We glue the bottom of the rose onto the final circle. I glue with simple glue, so you need to wait for it to dry. With hot glue, everything gets fixed instantly. These little roses look really great. Let's continue. We need quite a few roses of different sizes. The size of the rose depends on the width of the spiral. The small ones are made from small squares. Big are made big squares. We can start decorating the card. We're drawing heart shape. I also added some twine. It all looks even more interesting with it. And we start sticking it all on. In the center we have the large roses, and closer to the edge we have the small ones. It's very unusual. You definitely have to give it a try. It looks like it's made of paper, but it feels like something so extraordinary. Just awesome! For this heart, we will need thick cardboard, napkins, scissors, wire, which can be replaced with regular thread and glue. First, let's make the pom-poms. For a flower like mine, 3 of the simplest napkins are enough. We stack them together and cut off all the uneven edges. Napkins. Next, we make folds in an accordion shape. We round the edges. Then I take the wire and secure the middle. We spread both sides and it should look like a butterfly. Now we peel the napkins apart from each other so that the pom-pom turns out really fluffy. We do the same on the other side. We've made the required number of pom-poms. Let's continue. We make the shape of a heart from cardboard. I made a neat heart out of paper and I'm tracing it onto the cardboard. The shape is ready and the pom-poms are done too. Let's start gluing. Since pom-poms are very light, it is enough to use regular glue. First, I glue along the perimeter, alternating shades. Then I fill in the middle. If necessary, you can attach a loop to the back with tape to hang it on the wall. You can also decorate the other side of the heart. It will be a very fluffy double-sided heart. It turns out to be a very delicate and beautiful decor element for your room.